Tese miboigo niko wano eskuru ya Karungu eyibonezere eskuru ya secondary egotoka nsemeri Etago ime ya South Mogirango ya siekirubene asekerenga bunanige bwato mwana yo mogosoma eskuru yo egento kirrebono ebodi etenetise ya county ya Kisii gosieka eskuru yuli muliyao kana kobolie kembekiriko balikaba ali mutiesi kaneke buna abantu bagosoma eskuru yengunganyi gubale nakoirwa chiskuru chindo mulikito Brighton Makoli na Mange
Nekero bono ekero jiskuru chire asenta mwentangani anena somo ako yuga bwejiru bibere nemeronge birnesedo nigo bono jiskuru chinde chigosereri go chigosiekwa anachirita bwati aborokiwa abaisaine.
Some schools that are not making economic sense on the number of students who are there and also the teachers present. There is one school, for example, that has only one student against teachers who have been posted there by Teachers Service Commission, meaning most of the time the teachers are lying idle. This school is called Karungu, secondary school in Etago sub-county. And as a county education board, we resolved that this school should temporarily be closed and the children who are there be relocated to the nearby schools. And by that, the sub-county directors will facilitate the transition of these children from Karungu Secondary School to the neighborhood secondary schools.
School Board of Management
The School Board of Management is hereby dissolved with immediate effect for the reason that they have failed to maintain the school. They have failed to manage the school to the extent that we have underutilization of the resources because we do not have the students in place. All the teachers of that school will be redeployed to other schools, and therefore we are requesting Teachers Service Commission to take action immediately. Parents should be able to support the schools that are in their neighborhood. You cannot have a school without students. So where do you expect the teachers to get the students if the parents cannot give the students? We have witnessed a number of schools that did not perform very well in KCSE exams in 2022, and that parents are coming up in arms against the principals of the schools, especially in KCSE results. Now the County Education Board take cognizance of the fact that the performance in a school can never be made by one person. The question that arises is, as parents, what was your role? What role did you play to come up with such a performance that is dismal that you are disputing over? What is the role of the Board of Management? Because one of the roles of the Board of Management is to ensure quality education in their respective institutions. So what was the role of the Parents Association itself into the kind of performance that they are fighting over?
Board,
our intention is to have the 100% transition to junior secondary school in this term.
Good reporter, Ndizi TV, Brighton Makoli.